Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Hotmart application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Hotmart and start your search. Once you find the Hotmart application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Hotmart application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done you will see the open button. Just tap on the open button and this will open up the Hotmart application on your device right away. You can then proceed with logging into your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the Hotmart application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Hotmart application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.